Welcome to CoinFarm, a page where you can buy birds that lay eggs and make you money. Um, right now, I have this bird that lays 5 eggs per hour. I have 11 of those kind of birds, and they have laid 49 eggs that lay every hour. Or I can buy birds and uh, every each kind of bird lays the more expensive the bird, the more it lays eggs, and the more money you get. You can buy them and get your money back and make even more eggs, and obviously passive income. And obviously you can withdraw your funds. You can do it on a PayPal or just on your MasterCard or Visa, also on Bitcoin. And I mean that's easy. Or you can also do it through you can also get eggs or the birds with daily bonus that um, for example I have to wait 2 hours and 12 minutes to get the silver coins to buy more birds, or you can do it as a referral as referrals. And obviously where is it, you can do it referrals. You can easily do referrals, become an affiliate and get more either on Facebook, YouTube, or whatever referral link you want to do it. And it's easy, passive income. I recommend you to do this. It's fast, easy money.